Oh, I'm on it. Oh, okay. Now we are doing the second part of this video. I don't know. I bend the video if you can see it. This is the second part of the video. No, I need a little oil. And I will do two different way. The two different way. I need a little oil in my hand, so just to wet my hand and to make sure that it didn't appear this. I put a little oil inside this bowl because I don't have I forgot to buy something to put in oven. I will do it a different way. Two type, if you have problem with oil, if you don't like to be frying something, you do it this way, the way I'm doing it now. I take a little bit of it, I put it inside this, take a little bit again. Now I will do this. I will do this like 4 pieces of it. So if you don't like frying something, you can also I take it a little bit because the moment you are cooking it, it will be rice, it will be if you know something like our Nigeria boss, it's just like that. The only difference that this have a little alcohol inside. So I take it a little bit, I wet my hand because will not get attach my hand. I need something to walk up. Now when you are doing this, I wanted to do 4 of it to put it inside my oven. I'm already turned off the oven like 150 degree. 150 degree inside the oven. Take it out, and the same time I put on my oil on the fire. The oil will reach out to 600 degree, 160 degree. So now you have to monitor the oil the way you will not get burnt. So try to do it round. So I think I will put another one just to okay. I do it this way. Now this one inside my oven, because if you don't like to fry something, if you don't like to fry something, it's good you are using in a different way. So frying a lot of oil, you have problem with oil when you are frying something to eat. Oil frying something, it contain enough of it. If you have problem with problem like sugar, oil problem in your blood, they call it diabetes. If you have it, don't fry something to eat. I can't say you should fry it, but if you put it in oven in a different way, you don't need to fry it and you will not get problem of it. So I'm doing this thing. Again, I make sure that my oven up to 600 degree. It's 160 degree. So right now I'll put it inside my oven. Put it inside the oven. So I will set it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes of the time I need to do this. I wet my hand again. I check my oil. I have measurement of oil Now I get my oil to think it's a little too hot, so I'm okay like that. 200 degree. And I will continue the process. Now this thing, the more it big gets, if it's big, it's good. So I put a little bit of it here to test the oil, if the oil is okay. Yeah, the oil is okay. It's not too hot, we're not too hot, we're not too cold. So right now I need to put it a little bit of it. See the way I'm doing it. I put it inside the oil, and no, normally this thing have to be big. This thing have to be big. So sorry, I'm moving the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'll put it like in a way. So the oil already hot. I need to fry it. You make sure that the oil is hot. I have this measurement of oil so I can get the hotness of the oil. Make sure the oil is hot, and then control the one inside the phone, inside the oven. And so I will put it a little big, just to take the first step of it at a time. I need to wash my hands. Don't forget washing your hands anytime you are doing this thing, because gel is more important for food. So right now I'm a little disaster inside kitchen. Anyway, it's my work. I need my bowl. This is my bowl. I'm one kind of person, I like keep everything in order when I'm doing something, so I know where to get it. So I will do it like this. Do it like this. So this thing, I'm doing it just okay. Right now, this is ready, and at a time, I need you can see the one inside the oven is up. So I need this and this. This is my two instruments I need. Now this, when you leave it inside, if they are cooking, it will be turned by itself, or it's on automatic. So you can see it's getting well. No? Make sure that you control your oil here, so it will not get burned. It will not get burned. And we are continuing the process. No? Put oil in my hand so it will not be attached my hand. So I will continue the project just like that. And like I said, control your oil. This I do 2 doses of this thing I'm giving you. So I'll continue the project like that. Okay. Now this thing, the more if you do it, when you finish the project of mixing all the ingredients together, it's good if you leave it at least 1 hour or 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2-3 hours. The more you leave it to be settled down, the more it's getting better. Me, I leave it just only 1 hour because it's something we need for lunch, so I have to do it before lunch is ready. That is the reason why I'm doing this. So let me turn off the camera so you can see what I'm doing. You see, you will come away like this. You can see the first one I do your change automatic by itself if it's ready down. So I have to control the oil here. So because the oil is too hot, outside will be done and inside will not be done. So you have to control your oil. Make sure that you put your oil in a good way, where you can get it. You will not get burned and it will be cooking inside also. So you need a lot of oil because this thing you have to be good. Okay. Sorry for that. When it's ready, you see, I'm getting it. Let me see. See the one I put it inside the oven. As you can see, it's getting more rising. No, don't forget, control your oven because you have to leave it up to 15 minutes so it can get cooking. And see, as you can see, this thing is already do it by itself. Now you can see very this. Now to eat this thing in this season, that is the moment they do it. Just you can do, if you like it, can do it every day, but they do it once in a year in this place in Umbra. It's original Umbra something. So sorry, I'm moving the video because I wanted you to see everything. So this is the result. This is the one I used to test it. You know, this thing, they eat it with how they call it, miele. In Italy they call it miele, but they eat it with honey. If you have a good honey at home, you know, if you are in Europe, you can get it honey inside this in supermarket. Or don't forget, very sweet. Oh, okay, this is, you see, as you can see, make sure that you control your oil. You know, mine, I have this to control my oil, so the oil will not get too much hot and will not get burnt. See the color.